Hey, it's Yash again, and now we've covered everything for the enriched part of our AI fetch framework. Now, let's move on to the third step in the fetch framework, transform. This is where you turn your raw data into something more structured and actionable. Once you've gathered and enriched your data, it's time to clean, format, and shape it up for downstream use. This is yet another area BDRs and SDRs traditionally spent a lot of their time. RevOps takes the first stab at the problem with formulas and filters to standardize things like job titles, locations, or industries. And then, of course, sales always comes in behind to custom format the data for their actual specific copywriting or outreach use cases. Now, in the era of AI, you can go way further with transformation. For example, you could use AI in Clay to clean messy fields with AI-powered logic, segment records based on inferred traits like B2B versus B2C, classify personas or company types using custom AI categories, summarize or rewrite fields to fit your own unique outreach voice, or just in general, generate structured outputs from unstructured text in the format that your team needs. Let's walk through an example. Let's say you've scraped company descriptions and homepage content. Now we can use AI to transform that raw data and automatically classify each company as a B2B or B2C company, standardize these messy job titles into clean personas that match the function of the people we're looking to reach out to, and of course, merge fragmented fields into one structured column so we can send everything cleanly and quickly wherever it needs to be actioned. This helps keep your data consistent and aligned with your CRM rules, segmentation logic, and messaging strategy. Now, one last concept that's going to help you optimize your AI transformations in Clay, understanding deterministic versus generative transformations. Now, when you're transforming data with AI, you're going to be doing it almost always one of two ways. You're either applying a rule or you're asking for a judgment. Deterministic transformations follow predictable rules. If you want to calculate tenure, extract a domain, or clean up job titles, those are all deterministic, formulaic outputs. You don't want AI to be creative, you want it to be consistent. In Clay, that's when we're going to leverage our AI formulas. On the other hand, generative transformations require more flexibility. You might be asking AI to summarize product descriptions, classify company types based on vague, high-level language, or rewrite phrases for ultimate clarity. That's when you need AI to do a little bit of reasoning, interpretation, or creation. And that's when you're going to go to use AI, content generation mode, over an AI formula. Understanding when you use AI formulas versus content generation and summarization will help you build faster and spend fewer credits so you have more for optimal use and experimentation. Throughout this section of the course, we're going to show you how to use AI to transform with AI formulas, which are, again, your go-to for deterministic use cases like calculations and cleanups. And then, of course, turn unstructured data into clear classifications, which is where we're going to use generative AI to interpret and structure otherwise semi-messy human inputs. Let's jump in.